Hi friends, welcome to A Wonderful Sheep and welcome to an unboxing of the Matsuan concert DVD. It was dropped on my doorstep like 2 minutes ago, so I'm going to open it right up. So we'll just look at one for now. So this is what the outbox looks like. It's like that velvety matte material. Spine and the back. Okay, now my friend who unboxed hers earlier did say that it like smudged really easily, like she got fingerprints all over hers. So do I put on gloves? Yes, let's just do that. Let's just be that extra. Ooh, okay, so right up front there are the photo tickets. Ooh, and they're kind of holographic, or they are holographic. So this is what the back looks like. RM, Jin. Oh, the photos are gorgeous, and they've all got holographic like coating. I guess they're all taken from the encore outfits, so in the concert merch. Did I show everyone? Did we see Hobie? Yeah. Hobie was stuck there. There's everyone. These are really nice. Ooh, I like that they're holographic. All right, next. The digipack is in front, and it just looks like, that's what it looks like. Here's what the discography is on disc 1, 2, and 3. I'm excited to see disc 3 and the making stuff. Okay, and I know the photo card is inside the photo book, so I'm going to try to slide that out. Or maybe I'll just come across. Oh my god! Did it come bent or did I just bend it? I might have just bent it, I'm not sure. Anyway, maybe I'll just come across it as I flip through this photo book with you all. Okay, and these gloves are too hot. It's still too hot right now, so I'm just gonna take them off and just look through it gently. Ooh, on Experience Stage. This was their opening stage outfit. Oh, yes, this outfit with Hobie's outfit, I remember this. This looks like, this was day 2 and this was day 1. You can tell by the presence of that silly strap. He took it off for day 2. Ooh, and then, okay, Namjoon's solo song, intro persona. Oh, I can't wait to watch this DVD. I remember this concert, having flashbacks. So nice to see their outfits like in closer detail too. Oh, I feel something. Oh, here's the photo card. Let me just slide it underneath because I want to be surprised at the end. And then Yoongi stage. Oh, all the sheer laciness. Ook, the Ook stage. So fierce, so good. Oh, this must have been 0 o'clock. My time. Oh my goodness. Chimney's filter. I can't remember which day was 1 and 2. Maybe this was 1 and 2. Moon. Oh, but all the seats just filled with army bombs. Love Moon. Moon is one of my favorite songs from Lot 7. Taeyong's Inner Child. Eco. Oh, wow, look at that car. I don't remember that car. I remember the red car. I don't remember this car from the stage. Love Eco. And then we have Tagunshi. The Gucci outfit. Is this rehearsals? Was this a stage outfit? I can't remember. Oh, this might have been encore. Yep, and then here's the encore. Oh, they look so good. Look at Jin's forehead. Oh. Yes, remember Tae had his bandana on his bicep. Oh, Jimin이, don't cry, Jimin이. Don't cry, Jimina. I don't know if I bent these pages or if it came bent, but I might have bent it. These look like rehearsal photos. Yep, this is rehearsal. Look at their hair. Pre-styling hair. I don't know why I love that hair on Namjoon right now. Oh, and then practice. So cool. They might have like rented out a gym or something. This doesn't look like a familiar space. And then filming the VCR. So pretty. Oh, I want to watch this DVD already. I have to find my DVD player. I don't remember this. Which was this VCR? What was this? I remember this VCR. I don't remember these outfits. This jacket. I don't remember, but it looks so good. And that's the end. The credits, and for the photo card, it's under here. So that was a quick flip through the photo book, and let's look at the photo card. 1, 2, 3. Jimin이! So pretty. This is what the back looks like. Ooh, and has the dates of the concert as well. That's cool. Jimin이. All right, and that is it. This was Map of the Soul 1 DVD unboxing. This is what was inside. Thank you for watching, everyone. Stay safe and well, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Okay, PSA though, the black is very prone to get dusty and fingerprinty, so I think that's why my friend said she should have worn gloves. Just FYI, I touched it once and it's already quite dusty and fingerprinty. All right, that's it. Bye.